If you're looking for a new door or windows for your home, call the experts at Clearview Distributors. Serving our community since 1988, Clearview Distributors supplies and installs windows and doors for new home construction, remodels, and replacements. We start with an initial consultation at your office, home, or our showroom. You'll choose the products you want and receive an estimate on the work. We'll install your product and you'll have a chance to inspect the results to ensure that your needs have been met. We pride ourselves on great brands, great choice, and certified installations. Our windows meet ENERGY STAR requirements to save you money. Our staff receives special training directly from the manufacturers of the products we install. We focus on the needs of our customers from start to finish because your satisfaction is our top priority.
They did a wonderful job on both the estimation and installation. I'm very happy.
Clearview Distributors, Colorado's premier window and door specialist.